Thanks again for joining me in video 2 of the Amazon PPC Masterclass. We had a lot of great comments come through on video 1, and I'm looking forward to giving you even more value today. This is one of my favorite topics that I go over. Now, in yesterday's video, we discussed why you're thinking about your target ACoS wrong and what you should be thinking about with your target ACoS. So go back and watch that video if you missed it. Leave any comments or questions that you have on that video. Same thing with this video. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear them down in the comments down below. And then also, if you get a big takeaway from this video, put that down in the comments below. For those that don't know me, I'm Dr. Travis Zigler. I'm the CEO of Profitable Pineapple Ads. And I also ran a brand called I Love with my wife for about 7 years. And we sold that in 2021. And someone asked me what my favorite food was in yesterday's comments. So my favorite food is actually pickles and peanut butter. And so take a piece of bread, pickles, peanut butter, and bonus points if you dip it in some milk. Now it sounds weird. Pregnant lady taught me it, and it is delicious. So go try it and let me know if you've ever tried it, and let me know your favorite food down in the comments below. Now, before I jump into today's topic, I want to celebrate Greg's results as a result of following what we talk about here with the break-even ACoS strategy, what I'm going to be teaching you today. And he goes over how he has saved time and saved money using our strategies that we're teaching here. So you can see his testimonial right up here on the screen. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing that one little secret that I talked about that can save you thousands on your Amazon PPC. And again, that is not hyperbole. This works incredibly well. So let me switch over to my screen and I'm going to show you how to do that. Here we are on my product page listing that we went over in the last video. Now, Mediviz Tea Tree Eyelid Wipes. When you're looking at your listing, I'm sure you have a main keyword that you go after or a main keyword that you researched in order to come up with this product. Now, that main keyword is going to be crucial for what we're going to do in this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that main keyword. For us, it's eyelid wipes. And I'm going to go over here to Helium 10 magnet tool. And I'm just going to put that keyword in there, right? And then hit get keywords. What this is going to do is it's going to fetch all the keywords related to that keyword. In the meantime, while that's fetching the data, I'm going to pull up a spreadsheet. And what I like to do is just kind of drop these two beside each other. All right, so here's the keywords. So what I like to do now is I'm going to create just a negative phrase list. A lot of people focus on a negative exact match list, and that's not what you need to be focusing on. A negative phrase list will get you, for the most part, what you need done as far as negativing out keywords that will then negative out a lot more words as a result of just having a phrase. I think that's best explained if I show you an example. So here we are with eyelid wipes. And what I'm going to do is just go down to this word frequency list right here. And so this word frequency list is going to tell us a lot. So our eyelid wipes are for eyes. They are wipes. They are for eyelids. They're for lids. They're scrubs. ACoSoft is a brand name, and you can go after brand names if you want. You're just going to spend a lot more. They are eyelid pads, so you can leave pad in there. Then you can go tea tree. They both have tea tree. Cleanser, it is a cleanser. Cleansing, sustain, another brand as well. So what I like to do is if you're just getting started with a product, I always like to phrase negative list brand names. And the reason I do that is because it just helps save a lot of money. So just don't go after brand names right away, and then negative phrase them as well at the beginning, because then Amazon won't go after those keywords. So let's keep going. So ours are not drops. So they're not eye drops. So that's going to save us a ton of money if we just put drops in here, because it's going to eliminate all eye drops. And eye drops is it's a high keyword phrase. It gets a lot of search volume, so we won't show up for that at all. But you can see here that Amazon probably would have showed us if we did like an auto campaign or a broad match campaign. Now let's keep looking at this word frequency list and look at allergy. So we'll put allergy in here because we're not for allergies. And what I'm going to do is just put the singular in here as well. Amazon says they take it away, but I like to just do it just in case. Oil, dry, that's probably tea tree oil and dry eyes. So I'm going to keep both of those. And then what I also like to do is then sort it by search volume. So let's do that real quick. So come down here, we're going to go to search volume. And then I'm going to, again, pin it over here. And then we're just going to look at these top keywords. So we're not eye makeup remover wipes. We're not really made for that. So I'm going to put makeup into both of these. we're not made for babies or specifically marketing towards baby. We can use it, and we're not FSA or HSA approved. So you can see lots of high volume search right here. We don't have coconut oil, so I'm going to put coconut. I'm not going to put oil. We are scrubs, but we're not that kind of scrubs. So I'm going to put scrubs as a negative phrase because you can see how it gets a lot of volume. Excuse me, negative exact. And then if we keep going, we're not stocking stuffers. So I'm going to definitely put that away because of Christmas time. And then we can even put Christmas in there while we're at it. So eye drops, you can see it right there, getting a lot of search volume. And then let's keep going. We're not contact lens solution. We're not contacts. So I'm gonna put contact, contacts, and solution. And you just keep going with this phrase list, and you can go down, and I usually like to have like a 25 to 50 word phrase list, and then upload these into all your broad and your phrase campaigns. This strategy will save you thousands of dollars. I promise you that, because you're getting rid of all those other keywords that Amazon is just going to go after, and you aren't really relevant for them. So get rid of all this. It increases your relevancy. It actually will help you scale your ads. It will make you more profitable, but it will decrease your expenses significantly. Your action items for video number 2 of our Amazon PPC Masterclass is build out your negative phrase list for each of your products and then upload those into your broad and your phrase campaigns. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video today on creating negative lists. Most people focus on that negative exact match list, but where you're going to save the most money and where you're going to make the biggest impact is a negative phrase list. Just like I showed you today using Helium 10's magnet tool, you can also do it with the Cerebro tool as well. So let me know your biggest takeaway from this video down in the comments down below. Also, let me know what your favorite food is as well. And does it beat my peanut butter pickle sandwich dipped in milk? Does it beat that? So that is the key. Now in tomorrow's video, I'm going to be showing you my way too easy Amazon PPC strategy that will make and save you thousands of dollars. And this strategy is what we've had hundreds of people use that have learned from us, and it creates instant results for you. So I hope you enjoyed that. And then don't forget to register in the comments down below for the live masterclass on Wednesday, January 4th at 1 p.m. It's not going to be a webinar. It's actually going to be a Zoom call. So you're going to be on a call with me. It is limited to 100 participants. So make sure you get there early and come early. So don't forget to register for that down below as well. Again, I'm Dr. Travis Zigler. Thanks for watching, and leave me a comment down below. I read every single one of those.